So for the last 30 days, I've been having a little experiment. I've been collagen loading. So what does that mean? Well, I've been taking 3 sachets of collagen a day, one first thing in the morning, one at lunchtime, and one in the evening before I go to bed. I'd like to say I've been taking collagen to improve my joint health because undoubtedly collagen can have a huge impact on our bones, our ligaments, our tendons and our joints. But I haven't. I've been taking collagen for pure vanity to improve my hair, my skin and my nails. The last couple of years I've struggled with my hair. It just breaks. As soon as it gets to any length, it breaks and I'm shedding. The shower is full of hair. I've never ever been able to grow my nails, so I've actually invested a huge amount of money in fake nails over the last 10 years, but no more. 30 days of collagen loading and I'm amazed. I have nails that are growing. I've got so much new hair coming through, masses of baby hair, which is great. I'm hoping over the next few weeks it's going to grow down. And my skin is feeling much softer. So all in all, it's been a really positive experience. I've been using Synergy's collagen. The reason why, because it, as well as collagen, it combines vitamin C, which our bodies need in order to absorb collagen. And it's also got hyaluronic acid and a little bit of plumping from the hyaluronic acid, and zinc, fantastic little enzyme, which actually starts to suppress the enzymes which kill collagen. Win-win-win. I'm now probably going to start taking 1 sachet a day. So why did I do collagen loading? Well, I'd watched a video on the internet that were talking about collagen loading being used in the beauty industry as well as in professional sport. If you think by the age of 50, we've got probably half the amount of collagen in our bodies that we do at 25. We're basically collagen deficient. So what we need to do is get those reservoirs up. It's a little bit like when you've had a drought, isn't it? And it first starts to rain, and initially you've got to get the reservoirs up because before they start being depleted again. So by giving your body a 30-day boost of collagen, you're filling those reservoirs and then hopefully just going down to 1 sachet a day for maintenance. I have to say, I'm thrilled. I'm absolutely thrilled with the results. And I'd love to know, have a go. Let me know how you get on.